We've got two setters playing with toys in the yard. Here's Dante. He was afraid of toys when he first got here. This is his favorite toy. He plays with it. He barks at it. He's so cute. It makes a really weird, squeaky noise. It's like his baby. He loves it. And then over here is Ollie. He's playing with a squeaky ball. Hi, Ollie. So cute. That's his baby. Is that your baby, Dante? It's your baby. Rosa has jumped the fence and she's just gallivanting around the backfield, just hunting birds. But she doesn't go far. Where is she, Dante? There's Ollie. Such a hippie boy. So hippie. It's like I got my own squeaky ball. Are you shredding the squeaky ball, Mr. Man? Oh, he still has kind of a cough. There's Dante. I'll go back to my ball. He's going to stare at his ball for a while. See if it makes a noise by itself. He's so funny. He's just such a silly boy. What's going to happen over there? Maybe if he stares at it long enough. He loves to point bees. You're such a silly boy. The setter in his natural environment. Oh, he's so happy with his little toy. Maybe he'll throw it up in the air again. Where's your baby, Dante? Where's your baby? What is it? Probably Rosa running around out back. Poor Ollie, he still has that deep cough. But he's happy. He's a happy boy.